Thanks for purchasing your new dog training system, Pet 998D. I'm now going to show you what's inside the box when you receive it. Remote transmitter. A bit difficult to get out. Remote transmitter, nylon collar, receiver, test bulb, and contact points that go over the metal screws for the receiver. And then lastly, owner's manual. When using a training collar, always remember to use it for training and not to leave it constantly on the dog, as these contact points on the receiver can cause injuries like bed sores, or we refer to it as pressure narcosis. So always remember to not use the training collar continuously like a normal dog collar, but just for training. Now I'm going to show you how to pair your receiver to your transmitter, and then just show you the basic functions. So first, you have to put the batteries in your transmitter. So take each battery, place it in, and then the other one. As you can see, the transmitter came on. Just put the cover back on. So now that your transmitter is on, you need to put the batteries in the receiver. So once I put the batteries inside the receiver, also when you first receive this, there will be plastic around the battery, so just make sure you take the plastic off. But yeah, after I insert this last battery, it's going to beep at me, and then you have to press the Y button on the remote to sync the unit. So once you hear that beep, press the Y button and it will beep again, and you're now paired. So yeah, the first function I'll show you is the vibration function. There's a dial on the side that lets you select your stimulation level. I'm just going to go on 100 for this example. So once I press the Y button, obviously it's vibrating, there's no static shock, you won't need this. So yeah, and then I'll just put it down to 100, or down to 10, just to give you an idea of the difference. As you can see, it's a lot less than 100. So I'm now going to show you static shock. So I use the mode button, switch to static shock, use the dial, go to 100, press the Y button, and the test light will glow orange, indicating the shock is working. So the next function is the flashlight function, or the light function. So you switch to that using the mode button, press the Y, and the red light on the receiver will blink. Good for finding your dog in the dark. The next function is a beep, same kind of purpose. Maybe if you can't find the dog or you can't see the light, you would use this to find the receiver. And the 1-2 button is for if you had a second receiver, you would switch between that. Currently, we have this paired to channel 1, so I'll switch to channel 2, press the Y button. Obviously, it won't work because there's nothing paired to it. If I switch back, it's still operating and it's still paired. The last feature is the flashlight at the top, which is this button, and it controls this flashlight on the top of the transmitter. So you press that button, and you get a little light, maybe if you dropped your keys in the grass or something like that and you couldn't find them.